Hi guys, so you've made it to step 6. Well done so far, you've come a really long way and there's not many steps left now until we get the whole cube completed. So step 6, your cube either looks like one of these, or one of these. What's the difference? They've all got the cross, however the corners are different. So here we've got one corner complete, here we've got 2 corners, and here we've got no corners. We want to be in this situation here. Okay, in order for us to get the end result of having the whole yellow side completed, we need to start with this situation here. The yellow needs to be in this bottom left hand corner, and these need to be different colors. So from this position we apply the following algorithm. It is R U R prime U R U2 R prime. As you can see, that's now complete. Okay, now if we were in this situation here, we've then got to take an additional step to make sure we've got a yellow over here. So the rule is, if you've got 0 yellow corners, we need to make sure that there's a yellow on the left hand side on this bottom left hand corner. Okay, so there's no yellow here, turn it around, yellow here. So this is what we're starting from, this position, and we're using the same algorithm again. So the algorithm once more is R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And as you can see, now I've got this bottom left hand corner yellow, so I need to repeat the algorithm. This algorithm, you might have to repeat it numerous times. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. There we go, and that's done. What if we've got 2 corners? Now if we've got 2, we need to make sure that there's a yellow at the front here. So this bottom left hand corner piece, we need to make sure there's a yellow at the front. How I remember it is, if there's 0, we're going to the left, as in we've got 0 left. But if we've got 2, we're coming to the front. Okay, so no yellow there, no yellow there, yellow here. So this is what I'm starting off with. And once again, it's going to take me to the position where there's going to be a yellow here, and these 3 are going to be different colors. Okay, let's do the algorithm again. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. I'm going to have to turn this around a little bit just to make sure we've got the yellow in this bottom left hand corner. Okay, and time to do the algorithm again. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And as you can see, I'm having to do it one more time. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And that is complete. So it does vary in terms of how you end up with the cross, but regardless of it, we'll always end up with the whole yellow side completed. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck.